Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert Affinity Publisher to Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to convert Affinity Publisher to Excel. Firstly, go to the File menu. Click the Export option and wait some moment to loading the preview. We can see here the type of this file PDF. Now I am select the file is PDF and click export. Then click the desktop option and click save option. Then wait some moment to exporting the file. Then go to our file location and select the PDF file. Then click right button on our mouse and choose open with Adobe Acrobat. Now we can see here the PDF file. Then click the file option and choose export to and click a spreadsheet and choose the Microsoft Excel workbook. Then wait some moment and choose the file location, then click save option and wait some moment to exporting the file. Now we can see here automatically open the Excel file and we can see here the Affinity Publisher file automatically converted to Excel file. We can see here shapes and the text or images available. Now we can see we convert Affinity Publisher to Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.